Welcome to Module 4, Lesson 4. You're going to turn to page 104. Our I can statement reads, I can write the 3-digit number that is shown by a concrete model. In the previous lessons, we've been using concrete models to represent 3-digit numbers. This time, we're going to look at the concrete model and write the 3-digit number it represents. Go ahead and turn to the Build Understanding on page 104. Ben uses these blocks to show the number 429. How can we show the number in different ways? First, he wants us to draw the number. So let's think about it. We have 4 flats, 2 ton sticks, and 9 ones. So we can just represent that like we have been with our 4 hundreds, 2 tens, and 9 ones. Let's go ahead and label this on our picture. We have 4 hundreds, 2 tens, 9 ones. What it's asking us to do down here is write the number as hundreds, tens, and ones. Now, we want to think about what 4 hundreds is equal to. How can we write that? 4 hundreds is equal to 400. So, down here we can write 400. This is called expanded form. 2 tens is equal to 20. And 9 ones is equal to 9. So when it asks us to write it like this, we're breaking it apart by place value. Our 400 plus 20 plus 9. So now let's look at another way. Katie uses blocks to show a number. How can we write the number in different ways? Here are her blocks. Here's our place value chart. How many hundreds do you see in Katie's blocks? If you said 3, you're correct. There are 3 hundreds. Do you see any tens? There are no tens there. And how many ones are there? 2 ones. So we can see our number is 300, 301, 302. So the first way we'll write it is 302. Now let's think about expanding it by place value. 3 hundreds is equal to 300, 0 tens, 2 ones. So we can write it as 300 plus 0 plus 2. Now you're going to go ahead and complete the check understanding. You're going to use the place value blocks to complete the place value chart. Then you'll write the number in standard form and expanded form. Go ahead and complete these 2 problems now. Pause the video if you need any more time to complete these problems. For number 1, you should have found there were 4 hundreds, 3 tens, and 1 one. That's equal to 431. We can show that as 400 plus 30 plus 1. For the second problem, you should have seen that there was 100, 7 tens, and 5 ones, which is equal to 175. When we show that, it's equal to 100 plus 70 plus 5.